Alright guys, so this is Awoo Ewaa tutorial 2. Okay, so in the previous tutorial, we are at step 9. So we'll continue from there. So after kicking the ball to the left direction like that, you have to move back. 1, 2, 3. That's all for step 10. So that. Right, so for step 11, you're going to move your right leg precisely to the front, to the back, and to the side. So like 3 times. You're going to move it to the front, to the back, to the side. Go back to your position. So for your left leg, move it to your back, take it back to the position. Okay? Alright, so you take your 2 hands to your back, bring out your chest forward, take your chest back. Okay? It's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? It's just like taking your 2 hands back, bring out your chest, and take it back. 1, 2, 3. That. That's all. Step 12, you're going to move forward a little as if someone pushed you from the back like this. Okay? That's all. Right? So after moving forward, bring your 2 hands to the front, your leg this way, and take it to the right. You do the same to the left, to the left. So it's like this.
It's okay, man. It's okay. Thank you.
Alright.
Like
Step 13, you just have to shake your body. Your 2 hands and your butt backwards. Bring them forward and hit. It's like okay. Step 14, you have to bring your 2 hands forward. Right? As if you want to punch somebody. Just directly in front of your eyes. Take it like this. So you're going to move like as if you want to defend yourself. Tip to the right and ta, ta, ta. 3 times. So like ta, ta, ta. 3 times. So still step 14. After you move this way, alright, you still keep your hands that way. Now watch my leg. Okay, watch my left leg. You move this way. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. So it's like 3. After that, you have to shake your body once again. Okay? And hit it. That's step 15. Step 16, you still have to keep your position. You know, if you want to punch somebody. Okay? Defend yourself with your hands close to your eyes. And move again. 1, 2, 3. Okay? You move. 1, 2, 3. Nod your head. That's all.